Oh boy, hi and welcome to Solar FPV. My name is Anas and yeah, it's working now. I got it working. It's the same flight controller. I managed to actually scrape away at the trace where the receiver is supposed to go, get connected to the TX, and get to the pad, kind of get some solder on there and use the trace as a pad. And it's working now. So yeah, I'm really thrilled about that. This is a nice little flyer. I've just tested it inside and already had a couple of crashes, but it's doing nicely. It's doing good. No issues yet, anyway. And I can't wait to go and take this for a rip outside. So yeah, I just thought I'd make a little update because now I actually managed to sort of cheat the build and actually get it working. So yeah. Also with the beeper, when it says buzzer out, buzzer whatever signal, then what they're talking about is the buzzer negative. I just wired it to the buzzer, negative wire to buzzer, and to negative buzzer, and the positive to a 3.3 volt pad that was on the flight controller, and it's working. It's pretty loud. It's pretty good. It does make a lot of noise. I haven't set up everything yet in Betaflight. I'm not totally done yet. I just wanted to make this little short video saying that yeah, even though I did order a spare part, another one, this actually turned out very nicely now with a beeper, with LEDs on board and everything, and it's turned out to be a really nice build, and everything seems to fit very nicely together. The motors are not warm at all. Well, yeah, kind of. They're a little bit warm, but I haven't taken it outside, as I said. Warmish, which is okay. It's only it only flies in 2S. That's what I built it for. And I'm just gonna check my battery now because oh, there's plenty of. Oh, that's great. But there's something. I mean, it makes a lot of beeping noises. This thing, because it. I haven't set it up properly, as you could hear. But the total weight of this thing, with everything, well, except for the. This is just to hold my the balance lead. Total weight with the. Oh, come on. Total weight is 57.3 grams. Everything, the drone, that's really light, and with the battery it weighs 86.1 grams. So this Talon frame is pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's from it's designed by SkyStars, and it's a nice little robust frame. Kind of like it. So enough rambling on. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more. The build video will be coming sometime when I finish cutting up everything and see. It might take a couple of weeks, but it's also just going to be pretty much one of the only build videos I think I'm going to do, because I don't filming and doing builds is kind of not my thing. I just do random things from my desk here and some FPV flights. It's just that it can take days or even, you know, at least lots of hours to build a quad, and it's just, there's so many other videos that you might as well go. It's the same procedure every time. So, but yeah, stay tuned for more RC related content, and thank you for watching, and as always, fly hard.